Hey everyone, and welcome to your area model simulation. This is just a little introduction, a little how-to show you what to do and how to use it. So, as you can see, it looks like we have a table here. Now, you can't see the numbers at the top and on the side like we usually do in a multiplication chart, but right here, it tells you it's 10 by 10. If you want to look 12 by 12, you can click that and it shows you a 12 by 12. But I'm going to go ahead and work on the 10 by 10. And a way to check that is in a multiplication chart, usually in the top, it'll go all the way across to 10. And if I go down, it goes all the way across to 10. So you could see that it's 10 by 10, and this is filled in just like a regular multiplication chart. And there's the 100 here on the bottom corner. Now, what it's showing me here is that if I do 10 times 10, then I get 100. So here's my factor 10, which I have here, and here's my other factor 10, and I would get 100. And all I'm doing is I'm moving this around to see what I would get. If I do 3 times 4, I'm going to get 12 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All this simulation is showing you is how you can work area model. It looks just like a multiplication chart, and it also looks like a table. It also works in the way where you get to count all of the numbers that are in there. So if I wanted to go all the way across and do 2 by 10, I have 20. If I wanted to do, let's say, 5 by 5, then I have 25. I can also, all I do is click here and I drag this around. I can also make this number more, bigger, and make this less. I could use these here. So this just helps show you. And if the numbers are confusing to you, you can get rid of these numbers right here. For the simulation activity, this is just for something for you to see and practice with. There's nothing that you need to turn in. Once you feel comfortable and you feel like you're done, you can move on. If you ever want to visit this activity in the future, you can always do that as well. Okay, have a great time.